Welcome back to a new video friends. Today I'm going to tell about how to set time in Redmi 10 phone guys. Today I will tell you guys how can you set time and guys how to set time in Redmi 10 phone. So before starting video friends, I want to tell you if you're new in my channel and you're watching video first time. So guys, first of all go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. So guys, now let's start video. First of all open your phone setting. Then guys come on additional setting. Click here. Click on date and time. Then guys click on time option. So guys time is 4:20. Then guys okay. So you can see my time has set 4:20. So that's it guys. I hope friends you have understood how to set time in Redmi 10 phone. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching our video guys. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before guys, please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my videos. Bye bye.